I'm logged into Solid Snake server as Oracle user. First thing we'll do is set up Oracle home environment variable. Now from the Oracle home bin folder, we will run lsnrctl status to check the status of the listener. It is up and running. We can also look at the Oratab file. It looks empty, meaning there are no new Oracle instances created on this server. We'll also look at the background process to see if any smon server monitor process are running. Nothing. That means no databases are running on this server. Now from the Oracle home bin folder, we have a tool called DBCA, Database Configuration Assistant. We'll launch the DBCA GUI. We can use the DBCA to create the new database. We'll create a new database. We'll create a custom database. I will name the database as Sniper. For simplicity, we'll keep the SID as same. We will configure the Enterprise Manager. We'll disable the automatic maintenance tasks. We'll use the same password for sys, system and other users. It wants us. We'll be using file system for storing the database files, and we will specify a common location for all the database files. Remember, we have U02 and U03 partitions. For now, I'm specifying U02 Oradata as the location for all the files. And also for the flash recovery area or the fast recovery area, we'll specify U04 FRA folder. I will increase the size of the FRA, and will also enable the archiving. Now here we can disable the Oracle database components. I'm disabling all the components and leaving only Oracle Enterprise Manager component. We don't have any custom scripts, so we can continue. We'll leave Oracle Automatic Memory Management on. We don't have to change any of these default settings. Now this is the summary of all the configuration changes or options we chose. Now we can see control file is placed on, one is placed on the U02 and one is in the FRA. We'll change the second one to third one, which goes into FRA, and we'll specify a second control file which will store it in U03. This is the multiplexing of the control file. Now because we have multiple disks, what we'll do is some of the data files will place on U03. So we'll take the undo segments and place them on U03, and also user table space. We'll place those files, data files, on the U03. Now you can see sysaux, system and temp are in the U02, and the undo segments and the users are placed in U03. For the redo log files, we'll keep the second redo log file into the U03. Instead of storing everything in U02, we are using the multiple file locations we have. We can also generate the creation scripts. It's going to generate all the scripts and store them in the admin folder on the U01. Here is the summary of all the options we chose for creating this database. We can save this report as a HTML. Now you can see the scripts are generated, and now the database creation is going on. At the end of database creation, it will show up with a summary screen where we can notice the SP file is placed under U01, and also the database control, which is the enterprise manager URL, is displayed. If we want to unlock or change any of the passwords, we can go to the password management. Now we are done with creating the database, so we can close the DBCA.